Howdy folks, Isaac Martinez here with Blake Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland. Just wanted to jump on here real quick and actually show you guys how you can actually personalize the radio screen on any Jeep, Ram, or Dodge vehicle. So follow me and I'll show you guys real quick. This will work across the Jeeps, the Rams, the Dodges with both the UConnect 4 and the newer UConnect 5. Everything down here on the bottom of the screen you can actually switch and personalize. The one that's going to stay in the same spot always is going to be the middle UConnect app, but you can actually drag and drop things to wherever you would like. And the best thing about it is you can actually hit your apps button, and anything that is on these pages up here, like your heated wheel, you can actually drag and drop down here and drop. You can actually pick and choose which apps you have down here, and much of the same. You can send things from down here up onto the screen if you'd rather not have it down here. Just the one that's always going to remain the same is going to be that middle apps button. But there's just a quick little how-to video on how you can personalize your radio screen in the Jeeps, the Rams, and any Dodge vehicle. Thank you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can feel free to give me a shout at 254-434-7212,